Hi, you guys. It's Mary again, and I want to tell you more about Mary's Cooking School. First of all, though, let's be really clear that this cooking school is all about helping you guys know the basics. I've been teaching cooking for over a decade, and it turns out a lot of people just don't know what to do. If no one taught you, how you gonna know, right? And a lot of people are scared of food. No need. I got you on the basics. I'm going to be teaching excellent eggs, cookies for kids, 5 ingredients or less, kitchen survival, and one more. Point is, you guys, I'm going to get you on the basics. And I want to show you one thing really quick to make your chicken more delicious. Now, we do this in my 5 ingredients or less class, which is also can be vegetarian, by the way. It's not just meat over here, okay? But I want to show you the coolest thing to do with your chicken. So I'm going to tilt the phone down. There. Okay, now you can see the chicken, right? Okay, oops, let's not tip, don't tip over. Jesus. Okay, so what you want to do is salt your chicken ahead of time. You're going to do this, salt it, and using the other hand, turn it over and salt the other side, okay? You don't want to use the salt hand to move the chicken around because that's salmonella-ish. But you're going to let these sit in the fridge, obviously, for, an hour or two or even overnight works great. And this will give you a much tastier and more succulent chicken thigh. It's just a great way to do it. But I do want to encourage you guys, check out the classes at maryjwhite.com because I got the basics and I want to help you. So it's www.maryjwhite.com. Cook the basics, be smart, be awesome. See you guys.